Oh, goodness sake, what's going on? This is not an action camera. Don't know who needs to hear that. This is not an action camera. Right, I have had the Osmo Pocket now for a few months, and it is a fantastic camera. But one thing it is not, is it's not an action camera. I don't mean that in the sense that it's not waterproof or you can't throw it against a wall and stuff like that. Just in the sense of it's a small camera that's great for capturing things, but it's also quite difficult to maneuver. I mean, the definition of an action camera is to literally point it in the direction of the action and capture everything. And you can't do that with an Osmo Pocket, but you can of course do that with a Action 4, which is what the Action 4 is great for, and also what the GoPro is good for as well. So yeah, I just want to bring that up because I'm sure many people out there will be thinking, should I pick up the Osmo Pocket or should I pick up the Action 4 or a GoPro or something like that? That's it really. But if you're looking for something which is depressingly as good as a mirrorless camera and an f2.8 lens, then maybe the Pocket is for you, because that is where it really does shine. And this is me using it without some ND filters. I do have ND filters, but I'm not a complete moron. I'm not going to try and attempt to put them on the mountains, am I? Definitely haven't tried that. There are some fun features, of course, with the Pocket, in the sense that you can track a subject. So I try to do that on a long extender pole, which I've got attached right now. So I can go way out there, extending, because I've got it currently tracked on my face. So yeah, let me just show you, actually, let me just show you one thing that I'm talking about. If I do this, it's tracking me. Let's say I'm talking to someone else and I want to get them in shot. You haven't got much to play with. So if I'm talking away and say, for instance, the tracking gets lost or whatever, then it starts that. Case in point, the image quality on both is excellent. Of course, Pocket is better for low light, but Action 4 ain't bad. And when you're using the D-Log M setting and grading it, you know what, if you've got plenty of light, the Action 4 maybe as good. Maybe as good. But yeah, there it is. There we go. It sums up my views, hopefully. Let's help some of you out there make a purchasing decision, or just be a bit flamboyant and buy both, because you weren't sure. Right, that's enough of me yapping. If you found that useful, smash that like button and subscribe for more stuff exactly like this. Right, I'm gonna go. See ya.